Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If SearchUI is not running or crashing repeatedly or missing or is in suspended mode, then watch this video to fix it. The first thing we need to do folks is to run an SFC scan. So for that we'll go to command prompt, right click on it, click on run as administrator, yes, and then enter the command SFC space in small sfc space slash scannow and press enter. The next thing we need to do is restart the Windows search service. So we look for services in the search bar and we will look for the Windows search service. That's here. Right click on it and then click on restart, and then after it restarts you need to restart the computer in a clean boot configuration. For that we'll go to system configuration and we'll click on services. Now the most important thing here is to make sure that this box hide all Microsoft services is checked. Once you do that, then you can select all the third-party applications that are not required to start by Windows, and you can just click on them and click on disable all, click on apply, click on OK, and then click on restart. Once it restarts, normally you should not have an error with SearchUI exe, but if you do, then the only option left is to do a cloud reset of the system or a reset of Windows. So right click on the start button for that, go to settings, and then go to system, look down for recovery, click on recovery, then click on reset the PC and click on remove everything. But before you click on this, make sure that you have backed up all your personal data on a external hard drive, because this will remove everything, all the files, everything from your computer and do a clean reset. Click on remove everything, click on cloud download, and then click on next, and they should shut down your computer and restart your computer in a clean Windows configuration. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.